At Haifa Negev Technologies, quality is the principle that guides everything we do. From development through production, quality, precision, and control are not slogans. They are an integral part of Haifa's organizational DNA. The process begins at the site entrance. Packaging materials and raw materials undergo quality inspection upon arrival, with samples sent to the laboratory for approval. In the laboratory, advanced testing methods ensure full compliance with Haifa's stringent procurement specifications. Only approved materials are released for production. Throughout production, continuous quality control ensures that all processes remain within approved parameters. Once production is complete, the finished product moves to the packaging lines. At Haifa Negev Technologies, 5 fully automated packaging lines operate on site, packaging approximately 10 million FFS bags each year.
Quality is the reason Haifa products are chosen time and again, and therefore quality remains our top priority.
During packaging, hourly quality inspections are performed as part of a continuous control routine. QR code cameras verify label accuracy, jet printing systems apply dynamic traceability data, and each bag is weighed in line, with any deviation automatically rejected. The pallets are stabilized, protected, and weighed before loading, ensuring product quality is preserved until it reaches the customer.
Our quality is defined by you, and we work every day to meet your expectation.
Haifa Negev Technologies, committed to quality, precision, and continuous improvement.